This video is going to introduce you the X-431 Diagun V. Firstly, unbox the device. Inside, you will find a variety of diagnostic connectors for older vehicles, although the ones for Chrysler and Subaru have been excluded due to their limited usage. Additionally, you will find an instruction manual, a quick start guide, and an activation code. There are also two sets of cables, including a charging cable and an extension cable. Now, let's take out the main device and remove the diagnostic Bluetooth module from the top. This Bluetooth module can be inserted into the vehicle's diagnostic socket when conducting diagnostics. Once connected, the Bluetooth module will illuminate. Next, turn on your tablet and access the desktop. Navigate to the settings menu and scroll down to find the language options. Navigate to the settings menu and scroll down to find the language options. You can tap on the plus sign to add your preferred language for usage. Then, long press on this language and drag it to the top. The device will then display the corresponding language. Next, we will connect the tablet to Wi-Fi in the settings interface. Return to the tablet home screen and open the 431 diagnostic software. Firstly, select Software Upgrade and follow the instructions on the Quick Start Guide to register a product account. Once inside, select all software options and perform a complete upgrade with just one click. After the upgrade is completed, select Diagnostic to proceed. Use the region selection to find the desired vehicle brand for diagnosis. For example, let's choose Porsche. It is generally recommended to select Automatically Search to identify the vehicle model. If the identification fails, you can choose Manually Select for diagnosis. Once inside, select Health Report to perform a comprehensive scan of all vehicle systems and fault codes. The device offers both fault code analysis and fault code query assistance. It has a one-click feature to generate a comprehensive vehicle diagnostic report. Which can also be shared via email. Within the System Selection menu, advanced functionalities can be accessed, including module information, code reading, code clearing, data streaming, as well as actuation tests and coding. Selecting data reading enables one-click retrieval, and the option to record data streams. Choose Actuation Test to test the functionality of actuators. Returning to the main interface, select Special Function. Here, You can find the supported services and the maintenance functions. Select the corresponding function, locate your vehicle's make and model year, and follow the prompts to complete maintenance reset. If you encounter any issues during the diagnostic process, you may also utilize the feedback option at any time. Selecting the option for vehicle diagnostic records. Detailing the issue and providing your email address. Our engineers will diligently assist you in resolving any usage concerns.